From the break of dawn, your water runs warm. Reliable comfort through every storm. Hot water, always ready to flow. Rodotrep, the smarter way to go.
We're currently here at Gwarimpa at Setraco Gate for yet another installation of 2 units of solar water heater. For the record, solar water heater is a device that heats water using energy from the sun. So this client on this building is installing 2 units of one 250 liters and the other one 300 liters solar water heater. Now here is the solar water heater densely insulated storage tank. As you could see, these are the holes where the evacuated glass tube goes into. Water from your water source flows into this densely insulated storage tank and flows down into the tubes. It's actually installed this way. It's installed this way. The tubes comes this way. The water from this tank flows into the tubes and the sun hits it from sunrise to sunset, and you have your hot water free of charge. You don't need to pay any dime to get hot water because the sun will give you the desired hot water you so much need in your house. Now, this is the evacuated glass tube. The work of this device is to heat water. You see the hollow, the water from the densely insulated storage tank of solar water heater flows into this hole, flows down. Then the sun heats it from sunrise till sunset, and you have your hot water. This is how it's installed on this. This is what I'm trying to explain. You can see it's installed this way. So the water flows into this tube. The sun hits it. There are 25 tubes to be installed on this 250 liters capacity. The sun hits it from sunrise to sunset, and you have your hot water. You don't need to pay a dime. You don't need to break bank to get hot water for your domestic use. Call us today. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. Once again, do not forget, this is evacuated glass tube of solar water heater that does the heating of the water. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. Thank you. This 250 liters is suitable for 4 to 5 bathrooms, while the 300 liters is suitable for 6 bathrooms in a domestic setting. If it's for a hotel, this 300 liters is suitable just for 4 rooms. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. In times like this, the smart ones tip towards alternative source of energy to heat up water for themselves instead of paying heavily on electricity units to get hot water. Why not join the leagues of the smart ones today? Install solar water heater for yourself. My name once again is Ebenezer Okoye, Benny Solar Water Heater of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. You call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen, where I give you a quote on how best or which capacity is suitable for your home. We are Rodotrep once again, and we are good at what we do. Thank you.
Rodotrep keeps your home just right. Rodotrep keeps your home just right. Sales, service, and trusted care. Energy savings everywhere. Savings everywhere. Stay warm, save more. The future is bright. Rodotrep keeps your home just right. Rodotrep keeps your home just right. Rodotrep keeps your rent just right.
Rodotrep Integrated Services. Hot water, lower bills, better living. Solar water heater solutions designed for comfort and savings. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do.